Green is the color of life, freshness, and harmony, and our Green Day celebration was a beautiful way to embrace its meaning. This joyful event was specially celebrated by our pre primary boys and girls, whose eager faces and bright green outfits turned the morning into a lively garden of smiles. Each child helped make a small chart or badge showing a green item, like a pea pod, cucumber, spinach leaf, bottle gourd, green apple, or leafy herbs, and proudly wore and displayed it. So they themselves became the little posters of nature. These creative identifiers sparked curiosity and helped the children learn one another's chosen green fruit and vegetables while building confidence as they spoke about them. Parents added warmth and support by sending thoughtfully prepared green dishes, pudina rice, cucumber salads, steamed vegetables, coriander chutney, sandwiches, and other homemade treats, reinforcing healthy eating in a practical, tasty way. Teachers guided the day with a gentle enthusiasm through songs, storytelling, and simple nature talks that connected the color green to plants, clean air, and healthy living. Classrooms and corridors bloomed with handmade charts and cheerful drawings of vegetables and fruits, reflecting both guidance from teachers and the children's own imagination. The cooperative spirit among staff, parents, and students made every activity smooth and meaningful. Beyond the cheerful decorations and tasty food, Green Day quietly taught deeper lessons. Green reminds us of patience, growth, and balance. Just like a plant that expands leaf by leaf under steady care, it brings a sense of calm, freshness, and hope, encouraging even our youngest learners to appreciate the environment that sustains us. As the children laughed, cheered, and shared their green snacks and proudly explained their chosen items, they observed a simple truth: nature gives generously and deserves our respect and protection. The day ended not just as a color celebration but as an early step towards eco friendly habits and a lifelong love for the natural world.